realize that I found a place in heaven by your side. I could fly.
Tapusin mo yan, Dar.
You smile. I walk 1,000 miles to hear you call my name.
Lip-sync man siguro na.
Now that have finally found the one who will be there for me eternally, my everlasting God. Suddenly our destiny has come to unfold. When you're next to me, I can see the great story of love and truth. Now life is filled with the love of an angel. How can it be true? Somebody that keeps the dream alive. The dream I found in you. I always thought that love would be that strangest thing to me. But when we touch, I realize that I found a place in heaven by your side. That I found a place in heaven by your side. Heaven by your side.
Friend.
When you're next to me, I can see the great story, love and
Video ni pre. Ano bang mano mo pre? Ano bang masabi mo? Na ano ka ba ngayon? Ayos ba yung mga pinings? Ha? Ayos ba yung mga pinings?
Okay lang.
Okay lang. Ay. Miss! Miss! Pwede ba may interview, Miss? Miss! Mana, mana? Ah, ayos lang dong, ayos lang. Tundot lang. Miss, ikaw Miss, ano sabi mo Miss?
Salonita?
Pre! 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 Kitaan mo nga ako ng ano mo pre, yung katawan mo pre, yung dibdib mo pre. Laki ng dibdib mo pre.
Ay! Makita ka ng internet ko.
Ba, ipagkanta ba?
Jodoh mo?